Welcome to my 3Tree channel.
Here are 5 intriguing facts about wasps that many people might not know. 1. Wasps play a key ecological role. Wasps are important natural pest controllers. They prey on other insects that can damage plants and crops, thus helping to reduce the need for chemical pesticides. 2. Social wasps can live up to 6 months. During the summer, social wasps, including queens, workers, and drones, can live between 3 to 6 months. However, most of the new and young wasps have shorter lifespans of only a few weeks. 3. Wasps can sting multiple times. Unlike bees, which lose their stinger and die after a single sting, wasps can sting repeatedly. This allows them to defend their nests more effectively and aggressively. 4. Wasps have territorial defense abilities. Wasps are capable of recognizing and avoiding intruders from a distance. They use these skills to protect their nests from potential threats and competitors. 5. Wasps build nests in diverse locations. Wasp nests are constructed from wood fibers mixed with their saliva, creating a papery material. These nests can be found hanging from trees, under eaves, or even in urban areas like parking garages, and they often feature complex, intricate structures. Here are 3 interesting facts about the relationship between wasps and humans. 1. Wasps aid in agriculture by controlling pests. Many wasps help control agricultural pests by preying on insects such as aphids, caterpillars, and beetles that can damage crops and plants. Their natural pest control helps reduce the need for chemical pesticides, benefiting farmers and promoting healthier crops. 2. Wasp stings can be dangerous for allergic individuals. Wasp stings can pose a serious risk to people who are allergic to their venom. Allergic reactions can range from mild to severe, with anaphylaxis being a potentially life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention. Individuals with known allergies should take precautions to avoid wasp stings and seek prompt medical treatment if stung. 3. Wasps play a role in cultural practices and traditions. In various cultures, wasps are part of local folklore and traditions. For example, in Korea and Japan, wasp venom has been used in traditional medicine for its purported therapeutic properties. In North America, while wasps are often viewed as pests, they also intrigue people for their ecological role and unique behaviors. Here are additional 5 intriguing facts about wasps that many people might not know. 1. Wasps have complex communication systems. Wasps use a combination of chemical signals, known as pheromones, and physical behaviors to communicate. For example, they release alarm pheromones to alert other wasps to danger, which can trigger a defensive response from the entire colony. 2. Some wasps are parasitoids. Certain species of wasps are known as parasitoids, meaning they lay their eggs on or inside other insects. The wasp larvae feed on the host, eventually killing it. This parasitic behavior helps control populations of other insects. 3. Wasps can influence pollination. While not as effective as bees, some wasps do contribute to pollination. As they search for nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, aiding in plant reproduction. 4. Wasps have seasonal life cycles. In temperate regions, wasps have a distinct seasonal life cycle. They start new colonies in the spring, reach their peak population in summer, and then die off in the fall, leaving only fertilized queens to hibernate and start new colonies the next year. 5. The largest wasp in the world is the Asian giant hornet. The Asian giant hornet, or Vespa mandarinea, is the largest wasp species in the world, with a wingspan of up to 4.5 inches, 11.4 centimeters, and a body length of around 2 inches. They are known for their potent venom and can be a serious threat to honeybee populations. A wasp is an insect from the order Hymenoptera, which also includes bees and ants. To understand wasp anatomy, we'll break down its body into major parts and explore each in detail. The wasp's body is divided into 3 main segments: head, thorax, abdomen. The head divided from eyes, antennae, mandibles, labrum and labium. The eyes. Wasps have large compound eyes, which are made up of thousands of tiny lenses, providing them with a broad field of view and acute vision. They also have 3 simple eyes called ocelli, which help detect light intensity changes. The antennae. Located on the head, antennas are crucial for sensing smells, tastes, and touch. They play a significant role in communication and locating food. Mandibles. These are the strong jaw-like structures used for grasping and cutting food, digging, and defending. The labrum and labium. These parts are involved in handling food during feeding. The labrum is the upper lip, and the labium is the lower lip. The second major part, the thorax. Legs, wings, pterothorax. The legs. Wasps have 3 pairs of legs, 6 legs in total, which are used for walking, climbing, and capturing prey. Each leg consists of several segments. The wings. Wasps have 2 pairs of wings, a larger front pair and a smaller hind pair. Their ability to fly is crucial for hunting and searching for food. The pterothorax. This is the central part of the thorax where the wings and legs are attached. It supports the wings and legs and is involved in their movement. The third major part, abdomen. Stinger, digestive system, reproductive organs. The stinger. The wasp has a venomous stinger used for defense and capturing prey. The stinger injects venom, which can paralyze the prey and serve as a defense mechanism against threats. The digestive system. The abdomen contains the digestive tract, including the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. This is where food is processed and nutrients are absorbed. The reproductive organs. Located towards the rear of the abdomen, these organs are responsible for reproduction. Female wasps have the reproductive organs necessary for laying eggs. Physiological functions. Respiratory system, nervous system, circulatory system, the respiratory system. Wasps breathe through a system of tubes called tracheae. Air enters through small openings called spiracles and is transported directly to the cells. The nervous system. The nervous system includes a brain and a series of nerve ganglia, clusters of nerve cells, that coordinate the wasp's movements and behaviors.